Overview of the feedback forms used by mentors. So you've finished your template and you've moved your card over to Final Review. When a mentor is able to provide feedback, they click on your card and hit this button. Automatically, a few things happen. Firstly, you'll get a bright blue label that says Expert Review in Progress. Secondly, you'll get a checklist attached, and this has links to the forms that the mentor will need to provide the feedback. You'll also get a message saying thank you very much for all your effort. So a mentor will first add their name to the expert reviewer field and tick it off. This is a research summary, so we don't need the organisation profile feedback here. So we can delete that one. But we do want to give research summary feedback, so we click on this link. So a mentor will fill out this form. They add your details from your Trello card. They then provide some feedback. If we're looking at hopefully getting all goods and excellence in your feedback, but if not, there's some things here that the mentors can choose from. So some of the common errors, for instance, when someone's filling in the title, is that they've used all capitals. So the mentor would tick this one, if and this one perhaps, that all capitals should not be used for the title. If the response isn't here and they've done something else, well then the mentor has the option of writing in other. So the mentor will go through each field in your template and check it accordingly. They'll also go through the piece of content and just ensure that what you've written in the template matches up with the piece of content. So they'll go through and check your permalink, that your unique identifier is correct, and every field that's in the research summary template. So every question has some auto responses and also space for some comment. As I said, if you get a good or an excellent and no other comment, that means that you've done it right. If you do receive another comment, then take the feedback on board, but you have the option of discussing the response with your mentor. So you may or may not agree with everything that the mentor says, and we really encourage discussion and learning from both sides. So we look at the cases and implementation and the issues, all the standards, climate bonds, checking more industry and the date published, authors, organisations, relevant locations, companies, number of pages, finance relevance, date accessed, attachments, and tags. The mentor will then look at the chart bank and the quote bank, but they'll provide feedback. There's a separate form for the feedback for the charts and the quotes. And then there's a space for just some final additional comments that the mentor might like. Once they've completed that, the mentor will hit submit and the form will attach onto your Trello card. So all the feedback will appear in a comment and it will also appear as an attachment. I'll show you one that is completed or has had some feedback so you can see how it looks. So here you can see that the feedback is in a comment, and you can see the title is good, unique identifier good. So you can see the responses that the mentor has ticked has come through into the comment. And as I said, you're looking for all these goods and excellence, and look out for some comments as well. So this Georgina has done we've done a few feedbacks with Georgina as the process has changed as well. She's been very kind to change things as we've altered processes through this testing phase. So there's quite a few different feedbacks here, and comments from me that I was her mentor for this one here. So in the comment, you'll get everything that you need for feedback, and then the mentor will also have a link which will take them back to your feedback form so that they can make changes as you progress and do your edits. So I said that it attaches as a PDF as well. So here you can see the feedbacks, and you've also got the dates that it was received on the card. So slightly different format in the PDF version. So you've still got your fields here and then the responses here. So you might find it easier to use the PDF version or the comments section. But either way, whatever is easier for you is excellent for us. Once you receive all the goods and excellence in your feedback form, then the mentor will move your card over to published and give a huge congratulations.